So this guy today just show now. We have some fried chicken out of some only chicken. So, and as I say, we get the chicken Alright, so after the chicken that very fun, 300 they have a fry. I'm looking at the 300, that's on 350. Yes, our kitchen. A fry pan 350. It'll get, it'll look like it's fried, but inside of around so fried. Like 300. So the fry that for like 15 bucks. Some fry, yeah. It take less than 15 minutes. The temperature in the fryer. So no for them. Everybody love fried chicken. So. And I show now for the only beer sauce. Now this video we are showing you how to do the sauce. So we are frying some chicken and flour chicken and alright. So we just the excess flour. Yes, and the chicken fry. And so and 2 or 3 times for the week. So now add out the fried chicken after that with the country style Caribbean style. Same fried cooking, country style Caribbean style. Caribbean spicy, home style, and sugar. This basically like the fried chicken and the fried ready to come out. So all we know fried chicken when you get fried. The chicken get light. This is how fried chicken feels. So anyway, come on babes. So alright, these are the honey glaze sauce ingredients. So we have onion, ketchup, honey, and this over there so it's like egg full and it's in liquid. So we have a bucket. We put because we do little about it. So we do a portion. Serve to the week. So I'm full of bucket. So throw the ketchup, egg full and mix up. And simple sauce. Throw the ketchup. Pour the ketchup. The sugar. You really have a step by step way. You can pour anything however you want it. But you have to follow the recipe. Now drop the recipe in the description. So, so only sugar, ketchup, grate onion. If you grate the onion, this a blend it, grate the onion, it's like the same. So we grate our onion, sugar, and we mix to incorporate all of that together. And here's as you go. So you don't know if it want more honey or it want more sugar. And the egg powder mixture would be egg powder with the water to give that nice where I look for the honey glazed chicken. And alright, so making a honey glazed sauce, it's better make it in a bowl as you can put down to use the later use. So let's see what I want and we're pouring the onion in on this now. So we'll mix it. It's so far from honey glazed sauce, as mother said before, you can use it for your wings, drumstick, fried chicken, pork, any meat, even your fish. So this I know fried chicken, but cooking I like sweet and sour food. But I want appetizer. So you can use it appetizer, the main place. You can use it over for your cheese. So you can make it in a portion, put it in a refrigerator and use it. You can use it as a sauce when you serve for your food. So this now how only the chicken. So what I do it now, after we fry the chicken, we put the chicken on a tin sheet. As I see, only the sauce go on, we put it back in the oven for like about 5 minutes the most. So put it in there, warm on the sauce, and then serve. So that's all we do for glazed chicken. Then, as I said, can comment until oh you guys prepare your own glazed chicken. As I say, another day, another dollar. Oh dear, we are doing. So remember, like, share, comment, tell a friend, they tell a friend. What's good so far from you know it's about any back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. For out here, we are doing it. Anyways, right now we are getting a song. Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Check Black. Yeah man, so far from you know today we just showing off the debone chicken breast. The basic before we get into any more chicken breast recipe and the skin. So basically this get rid of that part there. Cause it might look hard but it's easy. It's where I use my show you a back there right there. So I'll find this one and I'll split it. Yeah, for hard part in there. So you split it. It was basically just follow me. I cut it out. And the breast of the center. So here we are start from where turn land we are. Basically you guys were supposed to be using a pairing. Soup, clear soup, whatever. I'm gonna show up for the clear soup and show up for the stock still. So yeah, look out for those videos in the future coming. So here you can get the chicken or can get the chicken and follow. Jonah, say more, you just need to find that little bone right there. So when I hold it tight, yeah, and then you just split, just cut it. That's basically it. So you can see what I do. If, as I said before, you get rid of the wings, because the wing have a hamburgers, you have a giant wing. That's size giant. Get rid of the little backbone. There's more than one way to fit deep bone a chicken breast. So don't be afraid to comment on your way how you debone it. Or if this method work for you, just let me know. To me, this is like this will be the easiest way to debone a chicken breast. To me. So just comment, don't forget to comment and let me know what you think. So I'm showing how to do it again. Take the center, we'll follow the line. How does I take a knife? How does I sell it? Remember, slit and I cut. You just have to rub the knife. As I can see, my hand said slant, you just rub it, slant, just like that. But here, you have to start it from the bone and slant, swipe it, swipe, not swipe. I get me wrong, not swipe, slide it down.
Slice, bro.
Yeah, we just have to slide it down.
Yeah, bro. That's how slice it, bro. See.
This chicken breast can do for anyone, any type of your appetizer or as a main course. So most recipe you ever find it's a boneless chicken breast. So we just have to save the trouble of the expense of buying the boneless chicken breast. You can just have your chicken in your fridge and decide, alright, this Sunday, we just feel like say, me just want the breast alone to go. The breast can use as
Stuffed
so
chicken
man would have
breast.
esco chicken, esco fish, you can use the same breast as esco breast. Cut it.
Let's go chicken.
And it can go both ways. Alright, these are the other way I tell you how they can see you debone a chicken. Debone a chicken breast. Same cut.
Jerk chicken
Yeah.
pasta.
Alright, this method how mother do you know this is a good to be like jerk. So I'm gonna get rid of that barbecue. So I'm gonna get rid of the thigh and the leg.
The different things
I'm
chicken
going
breast
to
can
use
use.
as a barbecue. So I'm gonna get rid of the wing. Same because we don't want to chop the wing when we are trying to get rid of the bone. So when you get rid of the backbone, you have to see the line. You have to follow the line come down and just cut it. You have to use force. You can't slide it like we did with the breast. Because that's a bone. So you have to put local force on it. So
see it. Yeah,
it might look hard, but it is not hard. It is very easy. In no time you ever become a pro at it when you have come and say, yeah.
What's the video 3 times and you become a pro?
You have a look at party. You can do it. Breast good to do, sweet and sour.
Popcorn.
Yeah. So, and you can even stuff the breast.
I gotta do fish stick, maybe take the chicken.
So,
chicken,
remember, the line, you have to follow the line, as I can see my show from this angle.
Stir fry chicken rice.
Exactly from
chicken
the
fried rice.
Because you want it all of that
chicken pasta.
And you just slide the knife. People, you may not know if you can angle a chef knife, but the paring knife is very easy to use because it's sharp.
Smart, that's it.
So basically, I'm going to start all the cuts to you know. So remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you can drop suggestion of what you want to see about it or whatever.
See there, bro.
And we have a new video I drop.
Yeah. Quick and easy.
Next week.
Yeah,
oh, wait. Basically, I'm going to show you the journey where we have to take on from morning time. So check it out. As what I said, another day, another day. Out here. We love you. Continue supporting your boy.
Yeah.
We just do it.
Just do it. I feel that this a pop up and all, bro.
That's good so far from
barbecue sauce.
Another
Yeah, probably right now know if like 6 different barbecue sauce. So we see that one.
We out here. We don't know where they are doing it, isn't it?
I have to do 6 different barbecue sauce right now.
Clipping the way.
Everywhere more you learn a different barbecue sauce. Plus my one.
Yeah, so we're gonna start with barbecue sauce.
You can never tell you which one.
Green barbecue.
Is it? Barbecue sauce.
Get a bowl, or I know may I use a bucket to make that bucket full of barbecue sauce.
Bro.
Use your vinegar, the sugar.
Grace barbecue sauce. Hey, Grace. It's to incorporate the flavor.
I'm taking the district recipe, like you want me to know
barbecue
like a bucket full of barbecue sauce. Pour in a barbecue sauce. Ketchup, you pour ketchup, barbecue sauce, and vinegar. When you have the barbecue sauce, you can change it to however you want it. If you want to turn it like great barbecue sauce, you could have put a grape soda or
the grape itself, blend the grape itself.
Grape, whatever. Or you want to orange barbecue sauce, use orange juice, or you can squeeze the orange. So the barbecue sauce can go whichever way you want. If you want, if you're a person who like alcohol, you could have pour like a
the spirit.
You could have pour like a beer. Right. So,
yeah.
As you go along and then mix.
I know that sauce I put the jerk chicken when I put the beer in it. Champagne soda for children.
Alright. Yeah, make barbecue sauce. Small portion of barbecue sauce. You're gonna need 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 cup egg powder mixture. Ginger blend. 1 teaspoon ginger blend. And remember barbecue sauce. I use this color anything. barbecue chicken, barbecue pork, barbecue mutton. Yes. So you can do the barbecue. As Madashi wanna wings I'm gonna do. Alright, this is the barbecue sauce that I make to put on the wings. Yeah. And I have more than one different way to make barbecue sauce. This is one of my way of making barbecue sauce. You can check out back if you have another way of how to make barbecue sauce. This is the barbecue pork.
Barbecue
Pan out
pork.
and
That's no
garnish.
one's a man, bro.
Again,
Barbecue pork, bro.
wheat.
That's
Getting
bro.
and now it's the meal that I prepare for Wednesday. Like barbecue breast served along with pumpkin, um, two slices of breadfruit along with vegetable.
You go over there and
So
say,
that would be served
video.
as a well. Now this is portion out as a main course. We have a barbecue pork,
Serve with,
callaloo rice,
serve color
pumpkin,
rice,
and other
pumpkin,
vegetables.
steamed veg,
It's not
barbecue
fun.
pork, pork lover,
Alright, now this one is another portion is
right? Same thing, man. It's a barbecue chicken,
same
barbecue.
portion. Barbecue sauce with pumpkin, callaloo rice, and vegetable. So, alright people, I would like you to be the judge of these dishes. If for
Oh, dish
instance
them
you get
plate.
a restaurant, which one of these dish would you pick?
Yeah,
Don't
I go
forget to
for
comment below.
coffee for some.
And then we have another one we have there. Which will be two, just about a
Fisher
fish for
barbecue fish.
this is extra fish
Serve with
served with barbecue
barbecue
sauce,
sauce, lemon.
lemon, and vegetable. So we can do the judge. Until the next video, I'm out.
You go, bro.
We're going to prepare some spicy baked chicken. We get with season, cut up onion, scallion, pepper, thyme. We have a wet jerk, pepper flakes. You see we got with chicken, cut up the scallion and things like so we have a sure chicken. We have egg powder mixture to get that nice color. Then we have a mixing in proper. Alright. We have a
Better.
yes chicken and kimchi.
Leg for one.
After I put chicken there, I walk.
Next time walk, yeah.
Change